Hey everyone, this is Tony Reed. I'm the Director of Culinary at Spiceology, and today we're gonna show you how to pan sear scallops and then finish with a butter base. Why do we pan sear? It's simple. We want a nice golden brown crispy edge on top and bottom of the scallop, and then we finish with the butter base to make a juicy center. Chef tip, make sure you're not using a stainless steel pan. You'll want to use a non-stick or a cast iron pan to get it as hot as possible. So first you're gonna want to salt here the scallops. There's a lot of moisture in the scallops as well, so you want to make sure to keep them as dry as possible, and the salt will help do that. You can see here we've got the pan smoking hot. That's exactly what we want to do. So we'll apply some fat. Now once you set it, make sure you forget it. If you try to pull your scallop up on the pan too early, it'll actually tear. Once the sear is good, you'll actually notice the scallop can easily pull from the pan. 2 minutes on each side, and then we'll finish with the basting. While this is searing, I'll also get some slices of butter ready for you. And this is our Black and Blue Spiceology compound butter. So I cut the heat off of the pan. Now I'll add the butter. You're gonna want to have the butter at the top of the pan, and then when you're lifting up your pan, the butter will run down, and you'll want to start scooping over each scallop. We're really developing that flavor that we want. You'll know your scallops are done because they won't be translucent. Thank you everyone, and that is how you sear and baste the perfect scallop.